Tyler Tool wire rope and cable hand cutters. Tyler Tool hand cutters are the best way to cut your small to medium diameter cable and wire rope. 8-inch varieties are made from 2 pieces of hardened alloy steel, which gives it the heft you need to power through small diameter galvanized and stainless steel cables. Because of its small form factor, you can throw it in your tool belt to keep better track of it on the job site. 13 to 20-inch varieties are built to give the best cut through even the toughest cables. The hardened alloy steel cutting blades are designed to cut cables without deforming the ends. And for max strength to weight ratio, the handles are made from drop forged aluminum to keep the tool lightweight, while still giving the max amount of leverage. Our customers use Tyler Tool hand cutters for cable railing projects and cutting small diameter wire rope for general rigging projects. They're available in 8-inch multi-purpose, 13, and 20-inch options. They cleanly cut wire rope and cable diameters up to 5/16 of an inch. When it comes to cable cutting, you can trust Tyler Tool hand cutters to give you the cleanest cuts in the end of your cable and wire rope.